Most people get confused and frustrated when they see a substitute item show up in their Walmart order. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming you were charged for something you did not approve. Because in most cases, that is not how the system works at Walmart. Here's the truth no one tells you. Substitute items are part of Walmart's grocery fulfillment system, especially for pickup and delivery orders. And in 2026, the process is even more automated, which means substitutions happen faster, but can feel less predictable. In this video, you will learn exactly how Walmart's substitute item policy works, when you can refuse substitutes, and what to do if you get something you did not want. Let's start with the basics. When you order groceries online, Walmart allows you to choose whether substitutions are allowed. You will usually see three options: allow substitutions, approve substitutions, or no substitutions. If you choose allow substitutions, Walmart will replace out-of-stock items with similar products. For example, if Alex orders a specific brand of cereal, and it is out of stock, he may receive a different brand with similar size and price. But here's the problem. Many users forget what setting they selected, and then get surprised when items are swapped. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you select approve substitutions, Walmart will actually contact you in real time before making a replacement. You can accept or reject the suggestion through the app. This gives you full control, but it also depends on how quickly you respond. If you do not reply in time, the system may skip the item instead. If you choose no substitutions, Walmart will simply remove the item and refund you automatically if it is not available. Next, let's talk about pricing. Most substitute items are charged at equal or lower value. If the replacement is cheaper, you pay less. If it is more expensive, you usually still pay the original price, not the higher one. Jake once ordered a specific snack pack and received a larger size as a substitute, but was still charged the lower original price. Now, if you receive a substitute you do not want, you have options. You can return it in store, request a refund through the app, or contact customer support directly. Most issues are resolved quickly if you report them right away. Another important tip is checking your substitution preferences before every large grocery order. Walmart sometimes resets or changes settings during updates, so it is worth double-checking. So to wrap it up, Walmart substitutes items based on availability, your chosen preference, and real-time stock levels. You can control it, approve it, or disable it completely. The key takeaway is simple. You are not stuck with random replacements. You have control, but you need to set it correctly before placing your order. If this helped clear things up, like the video, comment your experience with substitutions, and subscribe for more simple Walmart shopping guides. You will shop smarter and avoid unwanted surprises next time.